Not like this, not like this. Let's start with beginning.
So here is the bank outside the college. And the security area. Here is the parking for teacher. Main gate of our college. Library for seniors. A Salam Namaste restaurant in our campus itself, also called Kavelo. The unity of every language in our campus. Library for 5th year seniors. We also used to say student town to our campus with love and lot of emotions. Here is what our whole campus look alike. It is the hospital in our campus itself. Inside view of hospital. I didn't show you a patient because of infection. Hostel have many floors containing lift. Everywhere is green and with full of flowers in our campus. External infrastructure of our college with a part of greenery. Every time cleaning process is going on in our university, that's why our university is so much clean. By seeing this, we are thinking that we are at our destiny. Let's see a glance of festival. Our university celebrate all the festivals of everywhere. There are multiple libraries in our university with Wi-Fi facilities. Millets and awards of our university. Our respected dean sir. A staff room of our college. Here the teacher teaches with modern techniques and facilities. If a cricket stadium have a place for workshop, then why not our hostel and our college campus? Different classes with different branches with the facility of smart board in every classes. This is a girls hostel, look like a 7-star hotel and covered with mountains. This is our college and this is the distance from our boys hostel. This is the laundry of our hostel. This is the new girls hostel and this is the new building of boys hostel. This is the overview of our college from top. Campus look alike at the evening time. This is what the rush of every student at the time of their first class. Security alert. Practical class are going on the silicon body, which was good enough just because we don't get any bad smell. The top floor of our college. Lots of stairs in our college. Room with red carpets. A knowledgeable picture in every wall. Having washroom in every floor of our college and outside the college also. This is the external beauty of our college. Outside the college there is auditorium. Outside the campus there is a playing area where you can play any game which you want. This is our auditorium actually look like. Computer room of our university. Classes containing smartboard with university chairs. This is the evening view of our university. At the time of evening, you can say that a Diwali is going on in our campus for whole 12 months. This is the underview of restaurant and the external view of our campus gate.